welcome back. Today we are doing another pantry meal. I have been working in my garden non-stop all week long. It is Friday and I have vowed not to go anywhere today. No store, no errands, no nothing. I've been working, of course, going down to my grandparents' house and working on my garden there, and that's been crazy. And then I have a garden going here at my house, which is what I was working on this morning. But I'm ready to just relax with a good meal. It's around lunchtime, so I wanted something quick and easy so that I could spend most of my time relaxing until I have to make dinner. So today we are making Italian chicken sandwiches. Now I am using my pantry items. I am using my canned chicken breast, which here that is. I am using onion from my pantry, peppers from my freezer, pickled peppers and onions, which that is going to make a delicious spread actually, and some breadcrumbs. Now you could of course use fresh ingredients for all of this. Just cook your chicken, until it's done, and saute your vegetables until they're done, and you know how to do it. You know how to cook chicken. That's just how you would do it if it was fresh. I of course get to skip the step of cooking the chicken because I have canned, but we're still gonna make it kind of breaded by adding the panko breadcrumbs. It's something that I learned from just experimenting, that I can still give it that crunch like it's breaded without it being breaded. And it is pretty amazing. So, first step you want to do, if you're doing your fresh chicken, cook your chicken first in Italian seasoning. I don't have to do that. So I'm starting off with some butter in my pan and some of my peppers and onions. And I'm going to get them sauteed up. Lost a pepper. Going to get them sauteed up and then do my chicken. So I will see you back here in just a few. Okay, so I've taken our peppers and onions out. And you want to make sure that you have some grease, butter, oil, whatever you're using, down in the bottom of your pan before you do your chicken. If you're using canned chicken. If you're using fresh, you will have already breaded it and seasoned it, and it's just waiting for our final step. But since we're using canned, this is how we're going to do it. Now, I have my heat on a medium. You don't really want it any higher than that. And I'm just melting my butter a little, getting it all around. And now, we're going to add our chicken. I've already drained off the chicken broth. We're just adding that down. It's already cooked, so we don't have to worry about cooking it. All we're doing is heating it through and giving it a little crust. So, I coat it with the butter. Coat. And you could break this up and have it shredded. Actually, I may break it up a little bit. And see how easy this shreds? This is why I love canned chicken. It is just so versatile. This, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. We are not adding salt because I have a special spread that I am using, which I will link the link to that video right up here somewhere. I am going to add pepper though, but it's a pickled spread, so it already has salt in it. And we're just going to mix that in so that coats our chicken. And that step's done. And then we're going to do, oh, there's a big chunk. We're going to do our panko breadcrumbs. And again, with a sprinkle. And we've essentially shredded our chicken. So this is going to get to coat every last inch. Just put it all together. I'm going to add a little more butter to our pan. I'm just going to let the panko breadcrumbs just fry up a little and get crispy. And that is all there is to it. Super simple, super easy, and it's a way to make your home canned chicken taste and have the texture of a fried or baked breaded chicken without doing either. We just did it in our skillet. And you don't have to shred it up. It would work without it being shredded up. I just, for the sandwich that we're making, shredded is going to be so nice. So, just going to let it chill out here. Going to toast up some buns, and I will bring you back to assemble our sandwiches. Okay, so we are done, and I'll show you it has a nice golden brown to it. That is perfect. That means it is crispy like we want. So, I have my toasted bun, and it's just a potato bun, I believe. And you're just going to take your chicken, fresh or shredded or canned or however you want to do it. Stick that, make sure you can see. Give you an up close and personal view of this yummy bad boy. Alright, so we have our chicken. Do your slices of cheese. I'm using Swiss. Actually, I'm going to add, well, no, I forgot a step. Got our peppers and onions. So, on top of your chicken, those are hot. Add your sauteed peppers and onions. Hot. Okay. Then you add your cheese. There we go. And then we're going to add my special pickled vegetable spread. This stuff is amazing, and it's only 2 ingredients. And I made a video on it just because it is that good. So, put it on there. It's nice spreadable, but it still has some texture to it, which is fabulous. And it is just going to throw this sandwich over the top. So there's my big amount of that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Okay, so I'm going to give you a taste test of this. Try to. It is messy. See how I can do this. Oh my goodness. That is so good. You have the crunch aspect of the panko breadcrumbs. You get that tanginess from our sauce. And those sauteed peppers and onions, just throw it over the top. You don't even need the cheese, but the cheese is just a whole nother level of flavor. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you try it for yourself. I hope you enjoy watching how I like to use my home canned pantry for everyday life. Thank you, lady. So, until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.